So this video is to assist holiday homeowners and holiday makers to turn their central heating on this particular boiler. Now this is an Ariston and it's an Ariston One. Now to turn your central heating on, obviously make sure you've got power. We've got power. At the minute that's only on summer mode for hot water only. So if we press this button here, it now displays up the heating. So we've now got hot water and heating selected. Now on this particular boiler it's got a thermostat installed. So that's the thermostat receiver. And we're going to go to the actual thermostat now. This is the thermostat installed. So we're just simply going to turn the heating up. It's currently set at 5 degrees, so if we turn this up, room temperature is currently 21 degrees. Now on the boiler itself there is now a box around the radiator symbol indicating we have a demand for heating, and at the top there's a flame symbol indicating the boiler is now fired up, so we now have our heating on. And to simply turn our heating down, that's our room temperature. There's a down button. We can select this to say 22 degrees. Just as an example. Or to turn it down, if we don't want it on, we can bring it all the way down to 5 degrees. And that's just indicating our room temperature there, the big number. So back to the boiler, the heating's turned off, and you'll see that on the radiator symbol there is no box around it anymore, indicating there's no demand for heating. So that's how you put your heating on and off on the Ariston E Combi.